Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Yes, I am also fine. So now we are going to discuss about chapter number 2, Fun with Numbers of class 3. In previous video, which is related to part 1, we had discussed many concepts. Here in part 2, we are going to discuss some new concepts. So let's start. But before starting, we have to observe what we learned in previous video. So let's revise about the numbers, fun with numbers in different ways, understand about one digit numbers, two digit numbers and three digit numbers, concept of ones and tens, completed some tasks related to ones and tens that we have done. So now what to learn in this video? So let's start. Concept of hundreds. We are going to discuss deeply here concept of hundreds. After that, we'll discuss about place of ones, tens and hundreds. Fun with number cards also we'll do. How to write numbers in words, numbers in different ways and some tasks to complete that we'll do in this video. So let's start. So to understand the concept of hundreds, what will we do here? In previous video, if you have remembered, we have shown some cards related to ones, tens and hundreds. But now in this picture, you can see some blocks are given below. So how will you understand the concept? See here, if we'll talk about this place. So this place is showing ones. So how many blocks are given here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So after counting, we have written 8. Then let's come on the tens place. Here, how many blocks are given? You can observe here in one block. You can observe in one blocks how many small blocks are here. Here 10 blocks. So let's remind, in previous video we had discussed about tens card. So what did you observe here? So same as in these blocks, 10 small blocks make 110. So how many tens are here? Let's count 1, 2, 3 and 4. So after counting, we will write here 4 in tens place. Let's come on hundreds place. See here in hundreds place, how many blocks are here? So you can observe here in one block how many blocks are given. Small blocks. If we'll count with the help of tens, so we can see here how many blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Many blocks are here. So how many blocks? 10 blocks of tens. So what makes 10 blocks of tens? It makes hundreds. So how many hundreds blocks are here? So we'll count 1 and 2. So after counting, we have written here 2. So you can observe here in ones place we have written 8. In tens place we have written 4. In hundreds place we have written 2. So how will you read? See here, we will start from ones place. So 8 ones are here. So stand for 8 ones, or we can say 8. Let's come on tens place. Stands for 4 tens. Why we are saying 4 tens? Because in 110 small blocks are here. And how many blocks? 10 blocks. So 10 blocks makes 110. So here 4 tens. So we have written 4 tens, or we can say 40. After that, let's come on hundreds place. Stands for two hundreds. Why we are saying two hundreds? Because here two blocks are given of hundreds, one here and one here. So we can say two hundreds or we can say 200. Now I think you all understood about this picture. After that, we are going to discuss about some new concepts. So let's start. Add the cards and create a number. But cards are not here. Just wait. Here we'll give one picture. In this picture, many cards are given here. You can see you have to do something. What will you do? You have to add the cards and you have to form a number or you have to create a number. So how will you create a number? See, one example are given here. You can see in this example how many cards? 2 cards of tens. So we have written 10 card of 1 card of tens and 1 card of tens. So how many cards? 2 card of tens. So we have written here 20. So now it's your turn to do it. See here in this how many cards are here? Many cards are here. But we can observe here some cards belong to tens and some cards belong to ones. So how will you add? See here. How many cards of tens? 2 card of tens. So we can write here 20. You can keep that 20 in your mind. After that, how many card of related to ones? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 20 and 6. So how many are there? 26. So same as if we'll discuss about this. How many cards of hundreds? See here 1 card of 100, 2 card of hundreds, 3 card of hundreds and 4 card of 100. So how many cards of 100? 4 card of 100. If 1 card was there, then we can say 100. Now 4 card are there, so we will write here 400. So same you also have to do and enjoy in this picture. After that, from number to number names. What is this? Number we had discussed, but what is number names? Wait, we'll discuss about it also. You can see in this picture. Read numbers and their names, match them to correct number. You can see this column related to numbers and these are the name of these numbers. So we can see here and we can say these are the number names. These are the number names and these are the numbers. Okay, so what will you do? You have to match the name of its number. 5. If we'll choose 5, so where 5 has written, you can see on second place. So we can match here. Same here also. If we'll discuss about 7, so where 7 has written here. So same you will do in this. After that, you can see what is this. So I'll tell you, wait. In this picture you can see this is the abacus. What is the abacus? Abacus used to solve the number and solve the place of the every number. So if we'll discuss about this place, this place represent from O. So we can say O represent